So what we notice sometimes when our kids are working in upright sitting is they tend to lean to one side. So it could be they're getting a little tired, or it could be part of what they have a tendency to do. So what we do is we create props that can support children in being a little bit more upright and still working on some upright sitting. And Andrea will talk you through that.
So this is a softer prop, and as you can see, while it helped the student's position a little bit, it didn't really help it all the way. So this is like the least amount of prop you might want, something soft. Okay, you can see when I remove it, he leans way over. You might move to a little bit harder prop, right? And you're gonna help your student try and sit up, okay? But you can see that this too.
So does that go under his arm a little bit, I think?
It is
off
going
to
a
the
little
side?
under his arm.
Okay, so he can kind of hook his arm around that?
Yep.
Oh, great.
And you can see though that his level of lean is still pretty significant even with this second prop, which is a little harder than the first prop. So now we're going to try a prop that's even harder that you may have at home that can help with student coming a little bit more to center for forward leaning activities. So this is even more significant. His position is better, but it is not it's not perfect, and that might be okay. That might be the best that it gets for your student. You're looking for the best alignment that you can achieve. And this actually looks pretty good. You can see that now his forward leaning is much more centered, and that means he can use the right muscles to support. Okay, so if you do not have a ball, okay, what you can use for a harder prop, okay, and I'm going to have him just stay right there so that you guys can see where the prop change is. You can use something like a bowl and wrap something soft around the bowl, and that is what you can use as your prop. Okay? And you might have to play with turning it to the side or turning it on his edge. And now you can see that without a ball, without any equipment at all, you've used a bowl and a blanket, and he's much more centered, considering his lean was significant in the beginning. So this is a harder prop. You can use that with household equipment and a blanket if you do not have a ball.
Great, thank you.